Hey everybody, so I got a message the other day from someone wondering where I've been, and I wanted to shoot a quick reply saying, "Hey, I'm not dead. I, I'm still very much alive. And I'm not blowing the project off and not delaying. The problem is, I've run out of workspace. So some of you may remember I had been living with my folks. My folks ended up moving out, getting a different place. And so in the aftermath of that, we decided to unload our storage locker, and the garage became the storage locker unloading zone. You already remember my garage was a bit cluttered before. Well, it's worse now. So I haven't had the space to work. So I'll just show everyone what I've been dealing with for a few days, and hopefully you'll get the idea why I've been gone. So just to give you all a sense, this is where this was all just filled to the brim of these kind of boxes. And I literally today just cleared the boxes out and put them up in the rafters. You can see them all up there. So that was stuffed, but you'll see the real problem. If you've watched some of my videos before, you remember my workspace was right there, which is where the bike was parked. And believe it or not, this is actually about, I'd say less than 2/3 of what was in here before. So that shelf was in there. We had a couple extra pieces of furniture and just massive amounts of junk. Good news is I've made a lot of progress. Hopefully by the end of the night, this shelf is actually going to be in place next to that other shelf. And we're trying to sell this dresser. Hey, anyone want a dresser? And we're trying to sell this washer and dryer unit. So you get an idea. There's not a lot of work to be done. Now, if you look closely, the bike is right there. So it's buried in here deep. I know that's probably going to break some people's heart to see a beautiful 916 cast aside like that, and I don't, or I'm not trying to, but I'm just trying to get it some space. So anyway, hopefully here in the next, I'm hoping within the next month I'll have all this cleared out. The problem is I got a full-time job, and with my commute, I don't have time except for on the weekends to clean. And of course I got wife and kids and, tons of commitments and stuff to do. So hopefully I'll be back at it in the next month. The next thing to do is I'm going to have to probably pull the camshaft out. Camshafts rather. So, I don't want to have like a pulled apart garage. I want to be like way set up, ready to go before I try to tackle that. So stay tuned, or well, don't stay tuned, but see you guys in a few weeks.